Includes pro-grade, spring-action breakaway rim for slammin. Foam padded slide-on door mounts. Includes 5 diameter pro mini hoop basketball. 9 diameter spring-action breakaway steel rim. 18 by 12 clear polycarbonate shatterproof backboard. Skills. Go hard at home. With the quick assembly and easy mounting of the Pro Mini Hoop, you can ball anytime the impulse strikes you. Practice your shot or challenge friends, just depends on how much game you have. Dominate the dorm room. A dorm room is not a dorm room without a mini basketball hoop. With a breakaway rim, clear shatter-resistant backboard, and rubber mini ball, the only damage done will be to your roommate's ego. Own the office. Trying to settle a lunch bill or just enjoy some office camaraderie? Take it to the hoop. Now you can make all corporate decisions basketball style, where it's always do or die. Top reviews from the United States. The best and the worst gift I could have ever bought. My son loves it and has been playing with it ever since he got it. We hooked it to his bedroom door. You should be asking yourself, why did I say the worst gift if he loves it so much? Simple, because the only thing I hear in my house ever since we bought this is the bang 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 noise of the ball against the floor and the door since he has not stopped playing. Good quality hook, the ball was perfect too. Really good durable product.